Hi YouTube. So I waited for my mom for like 30 minutes to get here. She finally pulled up. I started recording as soon as she pulled up. Oh, what the fuck? What? You good? What you pull up? Why you pull up like that? Like I owe you money or something?
What's up, big worm?
How much you got left?
It's Mother's Day. I want you to drive the new car.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, you gonna like park it straight or something?
You all ready?
Yeah.
Round two?
Yeah. AMG this time.
I feel like we was just driving the Lambo.
Nah.
Something new. I mean,
That's been some months from now though.
that wasn't that long ago.
It was some months from now.
Alright, let's do it.
You gonna leave Big Black running?
I'm in the car.
Oh!
AMG ski?
Here we go with all these tight situations.
Oh yeah. No, this is a big car. The seat be too high, like. Cause I need to see over the steering wheel and shit, but.
Cause you so short.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood.
Oh!
You shorter than me.
Not bad. A little bit more room than the last one. How much gas?
I got like 50 miles of range or something like that.
Alright, let's do it. No! Oh, sweet! What you did?
You
You
know,
always want to put me in something crazy. You buckled up back there?
every time I put my seatbelt on, this car start choking me and stuff.
Okay, now this different right here.
Yeah. So that's the same thing. You just pull that.
Yeah, it just looks different.
We going windows down?
No, I don't want my hair to blow.
Oh. Yeah, you didn't drive it in sport mode before. So like.
Okay. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on, don't I?
Yeah, you look. See what I'm saying? She gonna ask him to buckle up. And don't even put in your seatbelt
I'm a
on.
professional. But
How? I drive better than you.
you can park better than me.
Yeah, I'm a professional parker.
Now I remember this infamous turn right here.
This one not gonna spin. This is all-wheel drive.
Okay. I still won't gonna do it.
This one ain't gonna get. This one ain't. This is like.
Smooth.
Yeah, it's real smooth. Yeah, and you in like a race mode, so like it's not as smooth as it could be because I got you in race sport plus type shit. It's
Definitely feel better than driving the Lambo.
Okay, does it feel better than driving an M8? If you had to pick the GT63,
I probably
Oh,
need to
the
drive
M8.
the M8 more.
we're gonna get her to drive the M8 for a video. That's
But so far this is on top.
with comfort or just in general. Which one look better?
I do like the red. As far as the body style, they kind of similar.
No, they competitors, so you can't say they similar.
Alright, let's see.
Oh shit.
Where my speed at? Oh, you heard that?
Yeah, it's a blowout valve.
Okay, the M8 got that too, though.
What?
No, the M8 got air intakes, so it's a little different.
Okay. Was that what is that?
The car downshifting.
Oh, like the Lambo.
Yeah, I think sport, and then sport is a better mode for you.
Got a little picture on there.
Yeah, that's the this telling you what mode you in. You're right.
Okay, sweet.
Every time you turn, like you know how when you turn your body go like that, this seat will catch you. So like this right here is hugging this side of me right now, and then if you was to turn that way, this will hug that side. You will see it.
Mirror set up right. You got it.
Do what?
I don't see your things lighting up. Triangles.
The tune turned it off.
What?
Damn. You good if you want to get over now though.
Dang. That's
The
messed up.
tune turned off a lot of stuff.
Get up and go.
Yeah. If that's one thing this bitch gonna
It
do.
ain't no hoe.
Nah, it ain't no hoe to it. But they saying they wanted to be louder. But I'm telling them it's a Mercedes, so it's kind of like, oh shit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Goddamn.
What?
Goddamn.
It just got up there too. Is that the popo?
No.
Oh, got my left.
Nah, that ain't the Popo. They couldn't catch Red Rocket Mower.
Hey, I ain't running. I ain't running.
Everything legit, we be alright.
Got me.
There's a car right there. That's a car right there. Yes, slow. That's a car right there. See? I be on it though.
Okay.
I'm on it, yeah. See,
I'm gonna go past them nowhere.
That's the thing. You gotta see them before they see you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got an eye for them. Unmarked.
Oh, she on my bumper and stuff. Girl, bye.
It's a fuck. You know how the Nissans be, right? You know about the Nissans, right?
The hell to us.
Yeah. Yeah. Javante had like 4 of them
Yeah,
bitches.
he was getting it
You
in.
had like 4 Heltimans, bro.
Getting it in
No
with
bullshit.
them,
I had a Honda Cat.
too. Hell to us ain't no joke.
I feel like everybody speeding today.
Oh, look.
Am I
What
moving?
you got? Reserve fuel. You low.
Yeah, no gas. You done burnt it all.
What's your gas light?
Yeah, that's my gas light.
Oh. Let's go. Let's burn out the rest. Woo!
This car is quick as hell.
This chain is a rocket. Man, rocket.
So I think last time they was
We gonna do it. We gonna do it. Yeah.
the last time we talked about.
Yeah, this much better than that Lambo. Alright, let me see. Can I get over there? Am I gonna do it? Can I do it? Yeah, that was easy. Light work.
Too easy.
Light work.
Squeeze
Light
mobile
work.
1K.
Light work. They probably think that
That's not what they be saying.
they be saying.
They be like, damn, that motherfucker hard. They be trying to keep up with me and shit.
Just like the other car.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
They be trying to race me and stuff. People be knowing what this GT is.
Look at him. Yeah, I see you.
He looking this shit. That look like Caleb car right there.
They do.
Zuli. It's that Zuli mobile. I get a Zuli.
You can't see through these windows, can you?
Not really, no. Nah, not really.
Yeah, this is nice.
You gotta learn how to use it.
Nah, what are you doing?
Yeah, this
Your
is a
ass
big
out the
GT.
way.
You can't come over here to it. So this car got a blowout valve.
I heard.
So like, whenever the turbos build up pressure, that releases the pressure. So like,
Oh, okay.
I don't need to do more research, but I know I wanted to put them on my last Benz, but I didn't.
So which one you like? This or the Lambo?
They
Or
both
the
got their
M8?
pros and.
Or the M8?
I think the M8. I like the M8 more.
Really?
Yeah. The M8 is. It feels better to drive to me. This is more comfortable. So like today I went off roading.
Oh.
I went in the gravels and shit, and I was
Okay.
just doing shit I wasn't supposed to be doing. This car was fine. Like I lifted it up, it did what it did.
Okay. Well, this is not low, and I hope you don't lower it.
Nah, I don't plan on lowering.
That's just a bad move. What you want to do? What you want to do? Cause we could get paid.
We definitely
We
could.
could get paid, baby.
We definitely could.
She act like she didn't want to stop.
We could get that check. What she talking about? But nah, yeah. If I had to pick an all-around everyday car, I feel like the M8 is more of it's like a young person car. It's fun to drive.
This ain't
This is fun, but this is more old schoolish.
really.
Yes. The Lambo is obviously like what you would want. But
Nah, not me.
yeah, I mean, you
That's
know, when you
only
want to
a name.
pop it, you want to pull out in the
turn
Lambo.
heads.
Yeah. But for comfortability and speed, I'm going with the M8 as of right now.
Okay.
Yeah. But the Lambo is just like, that's just a supercar.
This is definitely
That's
nice.
fun. Yeah.
I like this one.
They gonna
Right now,
say-
this is on my top list of your cars.
All the cars I had.
Yeah.
Well, so what's the top 3 list? And I'm gonna tell you my top 3.
I'm gonna go ahead and say this one. I I didn't drive your last Benz.
But you know that was geek.
It was fast.
Yeah.
I'm only gonna say Green Goblin because it was so flashy and everybody loved it.
Yeah.
And then I'll say the Lamb
Okay. So
because it was the Lamb.
your list kind of similar to mine. What's yours? All my cars. Which ones from? What's your top 3 from 1? You know, from 1 to 3.
We're gonna put Green Goblin on the top.
Okay.
Goddamn, we're gonna go. I hate the Lambo, so I'm gonna put Hermes next.
Hermes
Oh, okay,
next. Okay.
Hermes.
Okay.
Yeah, then I'm gonna go with this thing.
Okay. All right.
Sweet.
My number. I'm gonna go Green Goblin first.
Okay.
Then I'll do the Lambo second, and third I will probably go this car.
We all in the same line.
Yeah, we damn near got the same line.
So it's fuck with car. That black Hellcat.
it's fuck the black Hellcat.
Yeah.
Because that car was in the shop all the time, and fuck the E-Class, because that car broke down too.